Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into your Replica account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Replica account. Then you have two options that is continue with email or continue with Google. If you tap on continue with email, you have to enter an email and password. Tap on login. Tap on and enter your email and password. Make sure you remember it. Then after you can go back, then you have another option that is continue with Google. This is the easiest method that you can use. Tap on continue with Google, then tap on the account that you have made Replica account on. Like this, you'll be logged into that. Like this, you'll directly be logged into your Replica account. Here you can see your daily rewards as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube